Today we have lead code problem number 121. Best time to buy and sell stock. So you are given an array prices where prices I means index I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. Okay, you have given an array of prices name. There is prices I means index means 715364 is the price of a stock. Okay, and on ith date, suppose 7 is the price of a stock on date 1, and on date 2 price is 1 of stock. You want to maximize your profit. You have to maximize your profit to buy stock and to sell stock by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. So overall questions is that you have given an array name prices, and you have given prices index like 715364. This is the prices of stock you have given on a date, on ith date. Prices I is the prices of stock, and ith day means on date. Suppose on date 1 you have price of stock 7, and on date 2 you have a price of stock 1, just like. So you have to you have to maximize your profit to buy at least amount, to buy stock in at least amount, in minimum amount, and you have to sell stock at highest amount. Okay, suppose you have to buy amount on date 2 in rupees 1, buy a stock in rupees 1, and you have to sell this stock on date rupees 6, in rupees 6. So you have overall profit 5. So you have maximum profit on the, you have buying at rupees 1 and you have selling at rupees 6. So you have to find maximum profit, you have to return maximum profit. Suppose you have not profit any, you have not any profit, you have not achieved any profit, so you have to return 0. Okay, so first of all you have to find minimum price of price of stock minimum. So you have to declare an array, sorry, and you have to declare int mini is equal to prices I. You have to declare an हाँ 5 मिनिट हम करे वीडियो बना दो. int max profit vector int and prices. So int mini prices I not here, here will be 0 because here is declaration, and minimum, so minimum may be 0. Okay, and after that you will declare int profit is equal to 0, and after that you will run a for loop int I is equal to 0, I less than I less than will be prices dot size and I plus plus. Okay, mean updation. So you have to write here a condition if prices I index I mm, will be less than mini. So you have to give you have to assign mini update mini as prices I, because prices I will be minimum and it will be minimum than mini, so we have to update mini. So after that we have to we have to declare int current profit. After finding mini price of stock, we have to find current profit. Okay, and current profit will be prices I minus mini. So this will give you current profit. So max profit will be max max here profit. Here will be updation according to current profit. Okay, and after that you have to return profit. So we have to run this code, and here is one error, and that error is we have forget we have missing a semicolon, that is syntax error. Okay, and after that we have to run any, and this is all right. This solution is optimal solution and perfect solution. So we have only approach that we have declare a mini, there they will contain minimum price of stock, and here we declare a profit, what will be profit, and we have run a loop and we have compare in condition prices I means in array prices will be respectively, suppose 7, first time 7 will be less than mini, then we have to update on mini prices I. Okay, then mini, because mini must be minimum, so to buy, so from that we have to maximum profit. Okay, and after that we have declare a current profit means on running loop we have to show current profit. So from that current profit will be prices I minus mini, and after that we have declare we have written here max profit, when here will be updation when current profit will be increased, then profit max profit, then it will be update current profit will be swapped from max profit, this profit, and after that we have to after after completed the loop we have to return profit. So this was all about this solution is optimized way. So thankful to all of you, and this was the solution of this problem, and all is right here, and that's it. Okay, thank you to all of